Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to talk about how to place a prohibited region in EasyEDA's PCB editor. This feature is super handy, especially when there are areas where you don't want to route chassis or pour cover. Prohibited region help you restrict and highlight the spots. First, open your PCB layout in the top menu, find Place and click it. A drop-down menu will appear. Look for prohibited region. When you hover over it, you'll see a second menu where you can choose the shape, rectangle, circle, or polygon. Choose rectangle if you want to restrict a rectangular area. Choose circle for circular areas. Choose polygon for regular shapes. Once you pick the shape, just click and drag on the PCB canvas to draw your prohibited region. At the same time, a properties window will pop up. Here are the key settings. Type, keep it as prohibited region. Layer, choose top or bottom layer depending on your needs. Prohibited option. You can check components or copper. Checking component means no components can be placed there. Checking copper area means no copper will be poured in that area. All the other options mean the same. Once you're done, click Confirm. Later, after routing your PCB, if any chassis or component overlap with prohibited region, run a DRC check will show a violation warning. This ensures you don't accidentally interface with critical areas on your board. So basically, a prohibited region is just a visual reminder for a place you don't want to place component or cover or anything. Pick a shape, draw it, set the properties. Simple and very useful. It is especially handy for VGA or high-density boards, helping you avoid stress and component conflicts.